Yola Website Builder Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering Yola as your website builder, here's what you need to know. Yola is designed for small businesses and individuals seeking a straightforward platform to create professional-looking websites without needing advanced technical skills. Its drag-and-drop editor simplifies the process, offering pre-designed templates and a user-friendly interface. Yola's standout features include the ability to create multilingual sites, built-in e-commerce tools for selling products online, and SEO tools to help your website rank better in search results. For those on a tight budget, Yola offers a free plan with basic features, but the real value lies in its paid plans, which unlock custom domain support, premium templates, and increased storage. Yola is particularly ideal for users who prioritize simplicity and don't require complex functionalities like extensive third-party integrations or advanced coding options. The platform offers mobile responsive designs, ensuring your website looks great on any device, and you can customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand. However, compared to other website builders like Wix or Squarespace, Yola's templates may feel a bit outdated, and its customization options are relatively limited. The e-commerce tools are easy to use, allowing you to manage products, track inventory, and accept payments through PayPal or Stripe. However, for businesses with large-scale operations or more sophisticated needs, Yola's e-commerce functionality might feel basic. Another limitation is the lack of a comprehensive app marketplace, which means you'll have fewer options to expand your site's functionality. On the plus side, Yola offers excellent customer support, including live chat and a detailed knowledge base, making it a solid choice for beginners who may need guidance along the way. Additionally, it provides secure hosting, ensuring your site is fast and reliable. Overall, Yola is a decent choice for small business owners, freelancers, or anyone looking for a simple, no-frills website builder to get online quickly. It's not the most feature-packed platform on the market, but its ease of use and affordability make it worth considering for basic websites. If you're after advanced design freedom or robust e-commerce solutions, you might want to explore other options. However, for straightforward site creation with minimal hassle, Yola delivers.